Registration for the UNFCCC COP29 is now open. To register, visit nigccdelegation.natccc.gov.ng. To get started, find the Create Account button at the top right corner of your screen. Click it to proceed. Please note that all delegate accounts must be created by an authorized contact person or nominee representing your organization or MDA. Before starting, ensure you have the following documents ready for upload. 1. A scanned copy of the authorized contact's ID. 2. A letter approving participation from your organization, including nominee names, and any other supporting documents. To create a delegate account, click Create Account in the top right corner again. Select the delegate option and take a moment to read the important notice on the next page. Click Proceed at the bottom of the notice page to continue with your registration. Complete all required fields in the Create Account for your organization form. Upload the necessary documents as prompted. Once all information is filled out, click Sign Up at the bottom of the page. An email verification will be sent to your registered email address. It is essential to check your inbox and activate your account to complete the registration. After activating your account, return to the portal and log in to proceed. Click your profile in the top right corner to add delegates. Find the Add Delegates Nominees button on the right side. Click to proceed. You will need to upload each delegate's passport biodata page. Note that each organization is limited to a maximum of 3 delegates. After adding all delegates, your registration on the portal is now complete. You will receive a notification email. Check your email and portal profile regularly to monitor the status of your accreditation request. An email will notify you once approval is confirmed. If you are registering as a negotiator, click the Register a Negotiator button on the home screen. Read the important notice carefully before filling out the account creation form. Submit the form and verify your email address. You can log in to check the status of your accreditation request. You will receive an email upon approval. International organizations interested in scheduling a meeting at the Nigeria Delegation Office can use the International Organization Meeting Request button on the homepage to request a meeting. For more information on the UNFCCC COP29 conference, including trip planning and logistics, explore the How It Works and FAQs sections on the portal. For further assistance, click the Contact Us button at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill out your details and our support team will assist you.